Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Virgin Media Broadband. Firstly, unplug the power hub from the power socket and disconnect Ethernet cables, phone lines and any other connected devices from the old hub. If your hub is connected to a fiber or DSL socket, unplug it carefully. Now, check your provider's return policy and use the original box if possible. Pack the hub and accessories like power adapter, cables, etc. Now, take out all components of the new hub like power adapter and cables or instructions. Plug the hub into the Internet port and, if using a wired connection, connect Ethernet cables to your devices. Now just plug into the power socket and turn the hub on. The hub will take a few minutes to initialize. Look for a stable Wi-Fi and use it to connect your devices. Just open a browser and visit website to confirm it's working. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.